Hey friends, if you wish to allow, hide or block a neighbor's Wi-Fi network on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So we have commands. This one is to block and this one is to allow. But before I come to these commands, it has an option called Wi-Fi network name. So I'll show you the list of Wi-Fi networks on my system. And let us say that the Wi-Fi network that I wish to block is Rouble, Rouble. So I will simply mention it as Rouble here, Rouble. And if I wish to allow it, then the network name is again Rouble. Now let us see this. I will use this command for block. I will search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. I will paste it here and hit enter. It says that it has the filter has been added on the system successfully. Now I will not be able to connect to that network. Okay, and to allow it, I can use the second command and hit enter, and the filter will be successfully removed. I mean, now you will be able to connect to that network. This is a great way to prevent your kids from misusing your neighbor's Wi-Fi. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.